How to fix Instagram stories problems. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix any problem on stories in Instagram is very easy. So please keep watching until the end, and I will give you 3 ways to fix it. The first way is just go to Play Store and then search for Instagram and check if there is a new update. If there is a new one, just click on update and it will update it, and the problem is gonna be fixed. If there is no update, just go to the settings on your phone and go to the apps manager, click on apps, and then scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it like this. And now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click on data usage and click on here. You will find two options, mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now all what you have to do is enable those two options, and after that the third fix is the last one. Click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.